What's up guys, the Human Car Jack here, and today we're going to be installing a Nameless Performance Muffler Delete on the Forester XT. Currently we have the 4-inch muffler kit, but I'm hoping that the Muffler Delete will add a bit of sound to it. So we're going to see if that's the case. We're going to do a little bit of comparison before and after shots, so stay tuned for that right now. We got to see how it looks side by side. So that is the one that we had on. I think it's the 4 or 5-inch muffler by Nameless, and this is the Muffler Delete, nice and shiny. So this one I'm actually going to have a link in the description. If you guys want to check it out, it's going to be local pickup only. I'm going to have an eBay link if you want to post some bids, and you guys could have it for yourselves. Alright, so just finished up the install. Now, I want to let you guys hear it a little bit, and here you guys can see what's going on down here. So we got all the shiny parts on, out with the old, in with the new. Got it right over here, hooked up to the WRX Mid pipe, right there. The fitment's looking pretty good too. When I look at it from here, everything's looking pretty lined up, not too bad. This one's sticking out a tiny bit more, but that happened last time too, and it's not a big issue. I think it looks pretty even to the naked eye, so I think it looks pretty good. So the only thing that I didn't get a chance to do is do a sound clip of the other muffler when it was close by, like on a GoPro outside. So I'm going to show you guys a before and after first. You're going to see a video when I originally put on the first exhaust, the 4-inch or 5-inch Nameless exhaust, and then we're going to do a first start, a cold start of the new one. guys just heard the comparison between the two exhausts. Now tell me which one you like better in the comments. Personally, I think they sound pretty much the same. Right now, as I was reviewing some of the clips, honestly, I think the other exhaust, the old exhaust, sounds a little more, I guess, like deeper toned, and the muffler delete sounds a little more raspy, I think. Honestly, they sound pretty much the same. I pretty much did it just so I could save a couple bucks. I'm going to sell the other one on eBay, so you guys can check the link in the description if I haven't already mentioned that. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked the video, a little comparison there. Now you know which one you want to go with. If you do want to purchase this for your Forester, I think it also works for the I think it's the 2015 and up or 2014 and up Foresters. I think they all have the same layouts. So yeah, so if you guys liked the video, please leave a like down below. Please remember to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, take care now. Peace.